Hi, I'm Paul Blanton, President of VEC. At VEC, we do vibration, acoustic noise, and magnetic field site testing and sell mitigation products for electron microscopes, semiconductor manufacturing tools, and other advanced research instrumentation. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how EMI cancellation systems or magnetic field cancellation systems work. So these systems have three basic components. They have a sensor, which is typically placed at the electron beam column, a controller, and then field canceling loops in the X, Y, and Z direction that are arranged around the instrument or around the room. So the sensor detects the ambient fields at the column. It then sends a signal to the controller. The controller then sends current through these X, Y, and Z loops, that resulting in a magnetic field along the column that is equal in direction, frequency, and amplitude, but 180 degrees out of phase. Because it's 180 degrees out of phase, it thereby cancels the magnetic fields along the column, eliminating the external disturbance from AC and DC fields. It works much the same way as noise canceling headphones work for noise. That's a product that many people are very familiar with. So although these systems are fairly simple in concept, they're very complex in both the electronics and the implementation. At VEC, we'll look at your room layout, your instrument specifications, the ambient fields, and adjacent instrumentations, and provide a very specific recommendations for both product and installation type based on your unique needs. If you have any questions, you would like to learn more, please feel to reach out to us on our website. Send us an email or give us a call. There's a link to our website in the description below. Thank you very much, and we look forward to hearing from you.